a warm welcome to this video presentation. This video is all about road safety and traffic management as a part of Design Thinking Lab. This video is a precise note on problems faced by individuals during their commute. Our purpose of this video is to report and provide a necessary solution to the problems regarding road safety and traffic management. Anything in this era can be solved by technology and innovation. Hence, making the full use of our imagination and innovative skills, we are here to offer a special technique for the modern problems. The world is getting better every moment to ensure the safety of individuals, and hence the topic chosen for this innovative subject is road safety and traffic management. So the detailed description of each of the stage is reported in this video, that is the empathize, the define, ideate, prototype and test phase. So moving to the first stage, that is empathize, this phase mainly emphasizes on identifying, understanding and experiencing the problem that we are facing in this community. So we spoke to different people, asked them their opinion about the commute that they do every day and note down what they feel and what they say about this. Also, we went personally to the drivers, traffic police and other people and also asked them about the problem. We also conducted a lot of online surveys. And finally, we made a report in which people selected the problem that are facing. This leaves us to the next phase, that is the define. This define stage is preceded by the empathize stage, where we will have to learn much about the users that are possibly going to use the prototype that we make in the future phase. Also, once we understand the users, their problems, their needs, we need to actually make up the points and their needs and also understand and visualize what they're actually trying to say. For that, we made 4 columns in which we identified our target groups, our needs, problems and our insights. So our target groups include all the drivers, pedestrians and also the traffic police. So anyone who commutes including the traveler, the driver, anyone could actually get the benefit of this prototype. And also we found out their needs and their problems. And also we developed few insights, and these insights were used to make the next phase, that is the prototype stage. Before that, we also had to make some ideas to solve these problems. So we went on making a point of all the solutions we could possibly come out with and wrote 100 points regarding these problems. So this is the overview of the all the 3 stages that we actually did. This includes the surveying and finding out the problems and also identifying the solutions. This leads to the next one, that is the prototype. So we built a prototype keeping users in the mind. So this is how our prototype is. It is actually a spike system, a mechatronic spike system to be precise. It is installed at the signals near the zebra crossing. This ensures that the pedestrians can cross the road safely and also the vehicles follow the signal rules, thereby avoiding accidents near the junctions. How does this work? This model consists of spikes that emerges upward when the signal is red, thereby preventing the vehicles from jumping the signals, providing safe cross path for the pedestrians. This spike starts to move downward when the countdown of the signal reduces and fixes inside the as the signal turns green. Also, we got to know few of the drawbacks of this while we were testing, and that is, in case of emergency, like for the ambulance, police or the fire extinguisher, the spike goes down as the control is given to the traffic light. Here are the challenges, as there are and also we also provided an alert signal given 5 seconds before the spikes rise, hence making the driver aware of the emergency spike. If the vehicle gets on the spike system by chance, any emergency or anything else, a emergency button is provided for the spikes to go inward. And also, this system should also survive dust, soot, and rain. So the challenges were material used, waterproof, dustproof, corrosion, and heavy usage. Since there are a lot of vehicles and the density of the vehicles is more in country like India, this is actually difficult to put across. And also, we have to make a few more features in this model, that is, it should be easier to install and should consume less space, it should be wireless, and it should not damage the existing road, and these were also taken care when we planned the system. And how does this even help? This makes the work of the traffic police easier, and also it reduces the accidents near the junction, and it is easier for the pedestrians to cross the road. Through this video, we have come up with a modern way of dealing with the violation of traffic rules. This course has made us think in a way out of the box and use our engineering knowledge to use in the public interest. This model has to go vigorous changes. Identification of proper material and maintenance of the system is of equal importance. If people do not follow the traffic rules, it is necessary for us to force them, and hence such system come into use. At the end of the day, what matters is the safety and abiding of the law. Thank you.